Cummins error code P2509 is a diagnostic trouble code that indicates an intermittent power input signal to the engine control module or powertrain control module. This error code appears when the engine's electronic control system detects unstable or interrupted power supply to its main computer brain. This issue has become increasingly relevant in modern Cummins engines manufactured from 2010 onwards, as electronic control systems have become more sophisticated and sensitive to power irregularities. The ECM and PCM require stable power supply voltages, typically 12 volts or 24 volts depending on the system, to properly manage fuel injection, timing, and emissions control. When power input becomes intermittent, the control module cannot maintain consistent operation, leading to erratic engine behavior, loss of stored calibration data, and potential activation of limp mode. Common causes include weak or failing batteries, alternator problems, corroded connections, damaged wiring harnesses, and internal ECM power supply circuit failures. Environmental factors such as extreme temperatures, vibration-induced connection loosening, and moisture intrusion can also contribute to P2509 error codes, particularly in harsh operating conditions. Understanding P2509 is crucial for maintaining optimal engine performance, as this error code directly impacts the engine's electronic control systems and overall reliability. Troubleshooting P2509 requires a systematic diagnostic approach. We'll walk through the complete process from initial inspection to advanced testing and final repairs. Start with a thorough visual inspection. Check ECM connections, wiring harnesses, and battery terminals for obvious signs of damage or corrosion. Use Cummins Insight diagnostic software to confirm the P2509 code and check for additional related fault codes that might provide more diagnostic information. Test battery voltage and stability using a digital multimeter. For 12-volt systems, voltage should remain between 11.5 and 14.5 volts during all operating conditions. For intermittent issues, use oscilloscope analysis to monitor power supply voltage for drops or spikes. Also verify ECM communication integrity under various load conditions. Once the root cause is identified, take immediate repair actions. Clean all connections thoroughly, replace corroded components, and ensure proper sealing against moisture intrusion. Repair costs typically range from $200 to $800 depending on the root cause. Prevent future issues through regular electrical system maintenance, quality replacement parts, and environmental protection of connections.